Learning Express Library is an interactive learning platform for academic and licensing test preparation, as well as workplace and adult skill building. It's compatible with both desktop and mobile devices. A product of EBSCO, Learning Express includes practice tests, tutorial course series, and study materials. To access Learning Express Library, start on the library website, www.danverslibrary.org. Click on the research icon. In the Featured eLibrary Resources box, click on Learning Express Library. If this is your first time using Learning Express, you'll need to create an account to access content. If you have an account, you'll need to log in. Learning Express's home page features its learning topic groups. From any page, we can access the navigation bar. In the nav bar, we'll find the Help menu with links to FAQs, accessibility help, and video guides. The video guides are walkthroughs of every major action for using Learning Express, like how to take a test and how to download learning materials. The search bar can help with finding materials and topics if navigating through Learning Express's menus doesn't produce desired results. Enter a keyword or two to quickly find relevant materials. All learning content is located in the Centers menu. Here, we'll find materials for exam and career prep, school, college, and adult core subjects and skills, and popular software. There are also Spanish language courses. Let's explore the exam and career prep first. This section offers general career preparation resources like learning job search and workplace skills, as well as learning about and preparing for specific careers. For example, to investigate culinary careers, we can read up on becoming a culinary arts professional. To prepare for certification, under Prepare for Culinary Arts Exam, we can access a test prep book and practice exam. Ebooks are available to download. Tests can be taken online or printed. Next, let's take a look at the courses and tutorials. Under Adult Core Skills are tutorials, ebooks, and practice sets and tests for topics like math, reading, writing, and the U.S. citizenship exam. Here's a sample tutorial on vocabulary and spelling skills. It includes a course introduction, pre-test, learning units, and a summary and post-test. Navigate sections with the Previous and Next buttons, or the sidebar. Click Save and Finish Later to save your progress before leaving. In the Popular Software Skills Center, there are detailed video tutorials for learning Microsoft Office, Windows operating system, and graphic and illustration softwares like Photoshop. Tutorials are available for beginner and advanced users. Let's look at Microsoft Excel 2019 for an example. In video tutorials, you'll find the main video window and several accessibility and navigation features. Your progress through the course is shown below the course title. Use the Table of Contents to jump to a different part of the tutorial, or follow through the whole tutorial with the Previous and Next buttons. Every tutorial video includes closed captions and transcripts to help you follow along with the audio. You can also use the transcript to jump to specific instructions in the video by clicking on the associated text in the transcript. To save the transcript for offline viewing, use the Download or Print icons. Once you've started using Learning Express, you may want to track your progress or resume where you left off in learning activities. In the nav bar, under the drop-down menu from your name, you can access My Center, a feature just for that purpose. On your My Center page is a summary of all materials you've accessed, including links to resume in-progress courses and tests, view results, and re-download learning materials. Now you know how to navigate and use EBSCO's Learning Express library. If you want to learn more or have any questions, our reference staff are happy to help. Visit www.danverslibrary.org for contact information.